Alright, go.
Alright, this is Howie, and I'm gonna explain a repressible operon. So, this little green dude further up is called the regulatory gene, which codes for the repressor, which is going to be this, which, this will either, well, in this case, it's gonna block the, RNA polymerase from making more enzymes to create whatever product needs to be made for the cell to survive. Here we have the promoter, which is the region where the RNA polymerase attaches and builds the item, the enzymes needed. This orange piece is this is the actual operator. This is the binding site for the regulatory protein to block the RNA from building. And then here are your structural genes where the protein's actually made. So repressible operon, it's most of the time it's turned off. There's no need for it because it needs to be making whatever product is necessary for the cell to survive. It gets turned off, or it gets turned on. Oh, sorry, the repressor gets turned on when however much product is made. There's either it's turned off by negative feedback. So if there's a lot of whatever product is being made, we'll say tryptophan. So if there's a lot of tryptophan, it'll turn off. So what's going to happen is the structural genes, or I'm sorry, the RNA gene is going to make the repressor protein. And in this case right now, it's not working right now because it doesn't need to. It needs to make your tryptophan. So the RNA right now is going down. The RNA polymerase is going down your DNA segment. It's making RNA, which is this little. Alright, so we've had some video technical difficulties, so I just want to wrap this up. So again, this doesn't fit. The structural gene does not, regulatory gene does not, it's not made to fit right now because the mRNA is making tryptophan, or the RNA polymerase is coding for the mRNA, which is making the tryptophan. And then, again, when there's enough tryptophan, it'll bind to it, which will turn it into this, which will bind to the operator, which will turn off the structural, or the whole operon. So, again, it's made by negative feedback, and most of the time it's turned on, which means it's not binding to the operator, and that is all I have. Thank you and good night. So.